So these questions on the whole are quite nice. All you need to do is type this into your calculator using the fraction button. And if you do that, you'll get a lovely long answer of 2.2877906976. And it continues on. On the mark, I know it says here, write down all the figures and get into the habit of doing that. On the mark scheme, it did just say you only needed to have 8 numbers. But if you write down everything, you're not going to get it wrong. Because what a lot of people did was they just rounded this to 2.3. But that doesn't take into account all the figures on the display. So that, I'm afraid, was wrong. Okay, number 15. Again, this was very well answered for the majority of people. Part A especially. So work out the total hire charge. Well, he's doing it for 4 weeks. And our formula is our charge is our number of weeks. Now I'm just going to put that as N. Times 75 plus 100. And our N in this case is 4. So we do 4 times 75, which is 300, plus 100 to give us 400. Now this part B was a little bit more challenging. Some people did struggle with it, some people did very well. But we're going to carry on using this formula. And we're going to simplify it to 75n, because when we times, we put them together, plus 100. And we know that that came to £625. So if we rearrange that, we're going to take this over to the other side. So we get 75n. And when we take it over, we have to do the opposite to this sign. So in this case, we minus 100, which gives us 525. And then to get what 1n is, we're going to divide both sides by 75. And if we do that, we get the answer of 7. So it's 7 weeks.